Let's go ahead and go over our practice page about turning an improper fraction into a mixed number. There are 3 strategies that you could choose from: model, addition sentence, and division. What I want to make sure as you are selecting these methods is that you can explain what they mean and how they work. If you can do that, then you can choose from any 3 of those strategies. Let's take a look at the first one, 8/3. If I were to draw that as a model, I'm going to have my wholes and I'm going to split them into thirds. I'd have 3/3, 6/3, and 2 more thirds. I can easily see that my mixed number is 2 and 2/3. I could use addition by looking for the whole fractions. Again, my wholes are split into thirds, so 3/3 would be my whole fraction, 3/3, 6/3, and then I would have 2 more thirds. I can see that there are 2 wholes and 2/3 remaining. That then relates to our division. If I have 8 divided into thirds, I can see that I have my 2 wholes and that I have 2/3 remaining. Looking at our second example with 7/4. Since I have 7/4, I know my wholes are going to be cut into fourths. So I have 4/4, and I can't do another whole because that would be 8/4. But I can do a few more pieces. So let's say I'm at 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4. I'd have 1 whole and 3/4. I can do this in an addition sentence by using my whole fraction of 4/4, 4/4, and then 3/4 more would be 1 whole and 3/4. And using my third method of division, I would have 7 pieces divided into groups of fourths. And as I can see, that would be 1 whole and 3/4 remaining. Looking at my third example, I have 13/5. If I have fifths as my denominator, I know that each whole is going to be split into fifths. So I have 5/5, 10/5, and then I'm going to need 3 more fifths. I can see that's 2 and 3/5 as my mixed number. This can also be shown in an addition sentence using my whole fraction of 5/5. Then I'd add on another 5/5, so that'd be 10/5, and 3 more fifths. I can see that's 2 wholes and 3/5. This can also be shown in division. I have 13 pieces divided into groups of fifths, and I can see that's my 2 wholes, and then I have 3/5 remaining. The last problem is 17/6. If I have 6, that means my wholes are split into 6 equal pieces. I have 6/6, 12/6, and then I can't quite do another full whole because that would put me at 18/6. So let's see, I'm at 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that put me at 2 and 5/6. I can show this in an addition sentence using my whole fraction, 6/6, 12/6, and it would be 5/6 more. This can also be shown in division. 17 pieces divided into groups of 6. You can see that that is 2 wholes and 5/6 remaining. Again, you can use any of these 3 strategies. You have to choose one that you can explain and one that works best for you. Again, our goal today was to change an improper fraction to a mixed number.